This is a dismantling instructional video of SCR type fluid coupling. Now carefully observe the dismantling instructions. Dismantling starts with remove guard. Remove tundish assembly. Remove joint. Remove key from shafts. Remove diverter. Remove joint. Remove scoop housing bracket and pillow block from base frame. Remove coupling from base frame using crane. Remove scoop operating lever. Remove scoop housing bracket end cover. Remove oil seal. Remove shims. Remove circlip. Remove bearing liner with bearing. Remove shaft ring. Remove scoop housing bracket. Remove joint. Remove pillow block end cover. Remove oil seal. Remove joint. Remove pillow block. Remove joint. Remove bearing liner. Remove circlip. Remove bearing. Remove oil seal. Remove joint. Remove end cover. Remove input shaft. Remove reservoir casing bolts and dowels. Remove nozzle cover plate. Remove reservoir casing. Remove joint. Remove scoop housing assembly. Remove back casing bolts and dowels. Remove retaining washer. Remove back casing. Remove bearing. Remove leak off nozzle. Remove collector ring disc. Remove joint. Remove collector ring. Remove bearing nut. Remove bearing cover. Remove bearing liner and bearing. Remove impeller. Remove runner. Remove runner baffle. This completes the dismantling instructions of SCR. Please make sure all parts, tools and accessories are placed properly. Thank you for watching this instructional video.